Please subscribe our channel for a special legal dictation under the speed of 100 and above. So be ready. Last study. Start. Thereby, if any person other than the family member occupies such premises in his own right, in that event, clause B of subsection 1 of section 12 shall be attracted and not otherwise. Here, in the present case, even according to a spot inspection, the family member of Rashid, who was the original tenant, was found residing therein. The other members, even if not their family members, were found residing along with the family members of the original tenant and not in their own exclusive right. Therefore, the vacancy could not have been declared in such eventuality. No doubt that the observations in the aforesaid cases deal with the revisional powers to be exercised by the High Court under the special statute. This court has observed that in examining the legality and the propriety of the order under challenge in revision, what is required to be seen by the High Court is whether it is in violation of any statutory provision or a binding precedent or suffers from misreading of the evidence or omission to consider relevant clinching evidence or where the inference drawn from the facts proved is such that no reasonable person could arrive at or the like. It has been held that if such a finding is allowed to stand, it would be gross miscarriage of justice and is open to correction because it is not to be treated as a finding according to law. In that event, the High Court, in exercise of its revisional jurisdiction under the above Rent Control Acts, shall be entitled to set aside the impugned order as being not legal or proper. The High Court is entitled to satisfy itself as to the correctness or legality or propriety of any decision or order impugned before it as indicated above. However, to satisfy itself to the regularity, correctness, legality or propriety of the impugned decision or the order, the High Court shall not exercise its power as an appellate power to reappreciate or reassess the evidence for coming to a different finding on facts. Revisional power is not and cannot be equated with the power of reconsideration of all questions of fact as a court of first appeal, where the High Court is required to be satisfied that the decision is according to law. It may examine whether the order impugned before it suffers from procedural illegality or irregularity. It can thus be seen that the Constitution bench has settled the position that the revisional power does not entitle the High Court to interfere with the finding of the fact recorded by the first appellate court, first appellate authority, because on a reappreciation of the evidence, its view is different from the court authority below. The consideration or examination of the evidence is confined to find out as to whether the finding of facts recorded by the court authority below is according to law and does not suffer from any error of law. It has been held that a finding of fact recorded by court authority below. Stop. Thanks for watching us.